You can't park there, mate.
You see what I've done?
Yeah, hit the rock with the guards.
Fuck, I went flying over the bars.
Not surprised. Good morning, everybody. Me and Miko are trying to figure out whether we're doing something that could be extremely epic or something that could be extremely stupid. So we've popped into North Wales because we both have DJI Neo 2 drones to play with. So it's forecast a sunny day, but it is very chilly. We've had snow the last few days, so we're just gingerly making our way around to see what it's going to be like. Get it. Because obviously what we don't want to do is for anyone to get injured. Go on, mate. It's just straight on. If you're going to fall off, I might as well get it on video. Keep following it. I need to turn my ABS off. Do you want to explain your choice of bike to the viewers, Miko? Woohoo! Oh, this will be interesting, getting Miko opening the gate on camera. This isn't even the epic bit, this is normally the muddy, dirty bit. Wow, look at this, man. I'm so glad I'm at home watching Netflix. Oh, Miko. This is where I wish I put that new back tyre on. Look at this, man. Whose idea was it to use this lane? Now I'll come back because we both have to ride past it. Just restarting the camera. Oh, did you go through that ice puddle? Is it icy or is it broken? So there's been some farm vehicles up and down, hasn't there? Oh, a tornado. It's like Dakar but in the snow. It'll be easy riding on the grass. So ladies and gents, we are on the Wayfarer lane. So Miko crazily came out on his 990, he's in front of us at the minute, sliding the back wheel about. And we just thought this would just be a good one to get to reasonably safely on the main roads, but then we can spend a good few hours on this because it's such a long lane. See like a rabbits or something that have been walking in the snow. Oh, someone's been doing donuts here. Oh, there's 2 more bikes down here. So Miko has the drone up and it's doing a backward-facing follow, and it just caught me nearly face planting the deck. Whee! Oh, it's just navigated around the tree. That's cool. And now it's chasing him back down. It's catching him up. Wow, what a thing! Oh, it's in chase mode. So what's that? 20 kilometers per hour, and it's trying to catch him up. Oh, lot of sheep. Stop, doesn't put my hand down. Maybe I need to put my hand flatter. That's a nice bike. You can't park there, mate.
You see what I've done?
Yeah, hit the rock with the guards.
Fuck, I went flying over the bars.
Not surprised. That's what happens when a force hits an immovable object.
I think I slipped over to the side and I dropped the...
Oh, fuss out of the way.
Wow.
It looks like it. Oh.
Yeah. Brand new fucking...
Paint.
Brand new bars.
Brand new bars. Yeah. You went over the bars. Hasn't completely over.
No, not completely over.
I just hit the dash.
Yeah.
Whee. It's too slippy up there for two wheels. Yeah, so the only legal bit is here and up there. So that bit is illegal. So I went to ride up the little bit that goes to the start of the TRO, and it is slippy as hell. As Miko just found out on the 990. Some quad bikers have helped him turn the bike around. So we go this way. How beautiful. What can't do is get too cocky on this long straight bit, because it'll still try and chuck you off if it gets the chance. Ah, brilliant. Long, very, very long straight lane with nowhere for them to go. It shows how long it takes to get some drone footage, even with, you know, the automatic stuff. Didn't even get the other drone out. What time is it? 20 to 3. I'm almost wondering, is it worth throwing the... No, I don't know if I can be bothered, but then look at this, look at the scenery. Should I throw the Mini up for a minute? Sun comes out now. Hello, Rambo. The bike is trying to slide down the hill, even though it's in gear. Alright, this is it. ABS on. Visor down.